I'm Mr. Razif, the HOD for PE and CCA in Woodlands Secondary School. What goes through your mind when you watch a performance? Either someone who's acting, someone who's dancing, or someone who is playing the musical instrument. Do you think that my job is only to watch and enjoy the performances? Or do you think about what goes through the work behind the performance? Or what is the message that the performers are trying to send to you? So if yours is the latter, in which you think that the performer is trying to send a message to you, and you are trying to interpret what the performances are about, then it shows that you have a keen interest in the performing arts. You may want to explore how these performances are done. At the same time, you also want to find out how I can express myself through not just words, through my actions as well. That shows that you may want to pursue or even find out more about what the performing arts is about.
Hi, I'm Mr. Latiff, HOD for Craft and Technology. I would like to ask you a question. When you come across a particular product or artifact, what is your reaction? Is it, oh, that's an interesting product or artifact, and you just walk away? Or are you the type of person who, when you see an interesting product or artifact, you will take a closer look at it and ask yourself, I wonder where the designer gets his inspiration from? Or what is this supposed to represent? If this is the case, then you may have a flair for the design and arts, whereby you have an inquisitive mind and you are very creative. And if this is the case, you may want to check out our other videos.